Curb construction. The construction of a road, as well as the area around it, can be done in many different ways. If the roadway is supposed to have a curb, it can be translated C model. The operating principle is as follows. The first step is pouring the concrete into the reception hopper of the paver. The mix is then transferred from the hopper to the conveyor belt, which moves towards the mold. This in turn is equipped with special devices that uniformly compact the concrete using high-frequency vibrations. When the material is ready for paving, the mold creates a monolithic profile that meets the required parameters. Asphalt laying. You've probably wondered how the slip-form paver we've shown you can create sidewalks, since the mold is on the side. The fact is that these machines can be equipped with several molds. To understand this, take a closer look at the machine we're showing right now. It's designed to work with asphalt, not concrete. However, this special machine is also equipped with a sliding mold, which is used to pave flat surfaces. So, the principle of operation of these two special-purpose machines is very similar. The difference lies in the tasks assigned to them. In total, there are about 20 models, which differ in performance and working width. Comes to the construction of really large roads with heavy traffic, all stages are subject to greater requirements. Conventional concrete pavers can't cope with this workload in a short period of time. Asphalt pavers often don't have sufficient working width. This machine is perfect in these situations. It is the GP3 slip-form highway paver from the American company Gomaco. The machine is equipped with a sliding frame. In this way, the telescopic sections allow multiple changes in the paving width. The maximum width is 9.2 meters. Like the machine shown above, this one has a slip form. Other notable features of this particular model include a system that reduces the noise generated during operation. When the Gomaco GP3 was launched, it was the world's smartest paver. The technology helps the operator position the supports, change the size of the structure, and even control the direction.